Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to book a flight in the British Airways application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should just press on book a flight. And here you can just select the location that you are coming from and the destination location. After that you have to select whatever you want, either a return or a one-way trip. Select the date, press on the check mark. Now select the amount of passengers that are going to come with you, press confirm, and finally select whatever you are going to have, like an economy or a business class, and press confirm. Once that is done, all you have to do is just press on find flights, and in this case I couldn't find any flights with the information that I have provided, but if you try with different destinations maybe or different time, you might be able to find a flight for yourself. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.